Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fitria Farhatinisa. My student identification number is B1B124175. Today, I will present a short academic discussion for the course Manajemen Sumber Daya Manusia 2 guided by Dr. Elianti Agus Pokodompit, SE MSI. This presentation is part of leadership, and in today's session, I will specifically discuss about things a leader must have and indicators of effective leadership. To start our discussion, let us reflect briefly on a simple reality in organizational life. Many people aspire to become leaders, yet not everyone is able to lead effectively. This raises an important question. What characteristics must a leader possess, and how can leadership function optimally in practice? A leadership is not just about position, not just about authority. Leadership is a dynamic process of influencing others, directing collective efforts, and ensuring that organizational goals are achieved ethically and efficiently. Before we discuss indicators of leadership effectiveness, we first need to understand the 4 qualities that form the foundation of leadership success. A leader must first have integrity. Integrity means a consistency between words, values, and action. When a leader speaks with honesty and acts accordingly, trust is built. And without trust, leadership simply cannot exist. Next is communication skills. Leaders must speak clearly, listen attentively, and build a sense of appreciation within the team. When communication is effective, collaboration becomes stronger and misunderstanding decrease. The third quality is empathy and emotional intelligence. A leader needs to understand how team feels. Sometimes they need support, sometimes challenge, and sometimes space. Empathy helps leaders respond appropriately at the right moment. The fourth quality is decision-making ability. Leaders must be able to determine direction. Good decisions are based on logic, data, and careful risk evaluation. Now that we understand the qualities a leader must have, the next question is, how do we know whether leadership is truly effective? There are 4 indicators that reflect leadership success in real organizational settings. The first indicator is goal orientation. Effective leaders provide a clear vision, direction, and shared purpose. The second is the ability to motivate. When people feel valued and trust, they perform better. A strong leader elevates morale and strengthens commitment. The third indicator is proper delegation. Delegation is just not assigning tasks. It is matching the right responsibility with the right person. So growth and productivity can happen naturally. The final indicator is adaptability to change. Organizations evolve quickly. Effective leaders welcome innovation and adjust rather than resist change. In conclusion, leadership is not about power or position. Effective leadership built on integrity, strong communication, empathy, and sound decision-making, and is reflected through clear goals, motivation, proper delegation, and adaptability to change. Leadership is a continuous learning journey, not an instant achievement. Okay, that's all from me. If you find this educational presentation meaningful, please support by like, share, and subscribe, so more people can learn about leadership and personal development. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.